This is Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can scan a document and later transform it into a PDF file on this device. So first and foremost, you will need to download and install the free Drive app by Google. So let me do exactly that. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, let me quickly remove the previous scans that I have. Then to your bottom right, you can find this plus icon, so tap on it, then choose the scan option from the list, grant Drive app with the camera permission, and take a photo of the document that you wanted to scan. So here is mine. Let me unfold it real quick. So take a picture. If you're satisfied with the result, we can continue. If not, just retake the photo. At the following menu, you can rotate your scan, change its color scheme, and what is more important, crop the original photo and frame the part that you would like to be included in the final document, or rather PDF file that we are about to create. So here is the preview of the file that I will go for. So hit the save button, then save again, wait for the file to be uploaded to your drive, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.